Colchis Jack, welcome in to my book nook. It's Mary Ellen here with the Hiberno English word of the day. And we are on M in the Hiberno English dictionary. And I absolutely love this M word. And with only 2 weeks to Christmas, I'm sure many of you out there are feeling this. This M word is mithered. Mithered. Oh, I've so much to do, I am mithered. In our very masculine based world where everything is about productivity and go, 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 we are often very, very mithered because we just feel like we've so many things to do. Mithered. Oh, I don't know what to do with myself. I'm mithered. Well, I don't know if I'm coming or going. I'm mithered. So personally for me, when I am feeling mithered, and I also have ADHD, so I feel mithered a lot in my brain, what I do is a little bit of meditation. I just close it all down, check in with my senses, and do a little meditation. If you want to learn how, check out the link in the bio. Grow more.